Hi, I'm Eddie Ross, and today I am here and I'm going to show you how to wrap the perfect gift. First thing that you need is a gift. So what I do is I usually start with the gift upside down, and we're going to fold this over. This is the perfect amount here. I'm going to roll this over one more time to about here. So now I know exactly how much wrapping paper I need, and this is the best part. I'm gonna use a little bit of a couple dabs of hot glue, and you do it right into the center of the box, keeping everything nice and square. Fold it in here. And then you want to tack this down again with a little bit of hot glue so it doesn't come apart when you're going to wrap your gift. Then you fold in here. Nice and tight. You see how nice that corner is there? Holding this down, fold this up like that. And now you can take a little bit of hot glue. And now you have your perfectly wrapped gift. So you start off with about an arm's length here. You keep that here. You wrap it around like this, and never cut it off the spool because that's how you waste the ribbon. So I have it around the gift. I have my arm's length here. I'm gonna turn it here. I'm gonna wrap this around, bring it up and around like so. It's going to go under the one that I am holding here. So you can see, do you see that? And all you're gonna do, it's just like tying your shoes. And then you tie your bow, just like that. All finished. So you can just clip this holly like this. So I'm gonna take a little dab of glue like this. Finish it off with a gift tag, and you have a perfect gift.